These niggas tried to tell me, oh, excuse my language, these folks tried to tell me that that dude was gonna lose. I told him that man nothing to play with. He think cause he got a challenger, all challengers gonna win. How many dollars you want?
Ooh, that boy got me on. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, boo, whoa, whoa, boo, whoa. Whoa. I'm done though. Hey, yeah, you know that's the start of KB, you know what I'm saying, video. We gonna start that day off right. You dig me?
Okay.
That shit was terrible, man.
That one no good intro, man. Show us the fit, man. That one no good intro. Show us the fit, man.
Oh, that again. Man, this is terrible. I know this ain't no something slight you was talking about. This can't be that something slight you was talking about.
No. I just asked though. I was just.
You good now?
I was just asking you.
You were asking what though?
I was like, dang, do these forces go with the fit?
Bruh. All right, y'all. Take your tank top in. First of all, this shirt barely got black on it. Yeah. And then on top of that, your shorts ain't black, so it's not like you going boom, black, black. Yeah. Your socks white with black.
See how he want to show out for the camera. Bro.
I ain't showing out for the camera, bro.
Don't cut all that shit, man. That boy rough, boy. I'm gonna take my shoes off. God damn, I've been in here the whole time. My boy ain't saying nothing about.
You on. You had on slides.
You did say you was putting on slides though.
Slides back on?
Huh?
You gonna take your shoes off, put the slides back on?
I'm rocking my slides like that. I was just asking to see if this don't go.
You knew that didn't go. You knew that didn't go.
Squeeze that out.
Oh God, that's what I
You
say.
tried to squeeze that.
Yeah, cause he knew that ain't go.
I asked y'all boy. I say, brother, these forces go. So I put them out. Oh, they put the camera down, bro. Y'all these boys showing me. God. I'm being for real though. I'm really being serious. If I'm gonna go buy some black socks. Okay, boom. Black socks. I buy the black socks.
You ain't got no black shorts?
I got some black Nike socks at the house, man. You ain't gotta buy no socks.
You ain't got no shorts? No black shorts?
You got a black t-shirt?
Bro, it's just cause like this is like blue, yeah. It's just, and then you got yellow. You doing a lot of colors right now. I mean, this kind of match this.
Yeah, they're about to say that match, but
but if your shoes was like yellow.
Well, you had some yellow.
All white G-Face on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Couldn't go wrong all white. But you went all wrong with the black.
You want me to tell you who I asked?
You had white socks.
You want me to tell you who I asked?
Who you at?
My mama. She was like, I said, Mom, the white or black one? She was like, black one. I said, black one? I had my old boys and I would.
That like let your mama cut your hair.
I got some in the box too. I ain't even brought them out. I ain't even brought them out at all.
You put them up.
Yeah.
Man, they litty out here, man. They stupid pipe, man. Down here at the car show with it. Got the gang out here. You know what I'm saying? What's going on?
You already know the vibes, man. We finna turn this
motherfucker. Let me don't get me time. You get a little.
Oh yeah. You should let me.
Hey, you know, hey, the hat look big. You know, we out here with it. You know what I'm saying?
Let me see.
You know what I'm saying?
Let me talk to the folk one time,
Talk to them one time, man.
Hey, man, you know what time it is.
Yeah, man, y'all already know it, man. We
man.
having a good time, good vibe, life good, man.
LG. Everything. You didn't watch it up. He ain't even played it. I'm going to say it. Yeah, you know, 3 left. Yeah, you did me. Yeah. Had to say that one. Yes, sir. Ski.
Hey, man, they is out here, boy. It's too many folks out here forgot on me. First time going to the car show.
Hey, this is a good ass mix.
Jordan out here?
Oh, he said he coming later. Gang. TT! Man, what's up, man?
Hey, man, you know, I had to cut a line. I was scared, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was scared. Everything. It ain't what it ain't. It is what it is. It ain't what it ain't.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. Joey!
Hey, you already knew. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna do it. It's going on, baby. We out there. Who y'all got? Corvette. You say you got a Corvette? I got a Corvette. Nobody got a Corvette. What's the one on it? I got 20 on it. Oh, hold on, wait. Oh, that Corvette gone. The Corvette gone. Hey, the Corvette gone. That's your qualification. He just qualified. He right off the track. I lost my dollar. You know what I'm saying? We got good vibes. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We got the whole gang out here. We may be missing a few. But you know we out here though. We out here with righteous way. We got the old dog behind the camera. Yeah. You know? Yeah. And my boy going to LA to do big things. Yes. Hey, boy. Hey, bro, you know what it is, what it ain't. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the show. Tell them to put it on the screen. Facebook, MySpace, we share everything. They say you said that in the last video. That's your only script, they say. Oh, God. You acting like a real duck on the last one. But you nervous? You a little nervous. We're going to pressure into some. Who was that, Kid Jack? That Jelly Bar. What up, dude? Where you at, man? He on the way. Oh, okay. I just came to say that I'm locked in with KB. We finna make a hit. Yeah. What you got on today? You know what I'm saying? I got, you know what I'm saying? I done put my whole arm in the rim like DC. You know what I'm saying? Just like KB. I got the camouflage and they can't see me. In my AJ 23. I don't know, that Mero might. That Mero look like he's coming though. Who you got, Red? What? The Mero the Charlie. What you got? You drive, bro. You know I got that Charlie. Got that Charlie. They going stupid over there. Right lane. Big payday. Yes, sir. I should have bet you $2. What are you doing? I lost my money.
These niggas tried to tell me, oh, excuse my language. These folks tried to tell me that dude was gonna lose. I told him that Mero nothing to play with. He think cause he got a challenger, all challengers gonna win. So how many dollars? Yeah, ooh, yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh, ooh. What you think then? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just drink the juice. The juice get loose. Ooh, the juice get loose. Be nasty. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to R Nasty. Get R Nasty. That's his only dance move right there. That's the only dance move. Some of y'all in. I ain't got that. I'm gonna hit that shoulder for you, dude. Hit that Uzi for you, dude. Oh, he on camera. Man, you know we out here. Oh yeah, we finna migrate a little bit. We finna got Hey. Shout over there eating that chicken bone. Eat that chicken bone. She eating that chicken bone. She eating that chicken bone cause she can't even go home. I said, what's up, Trey? You little daddy. Can I call you my babe? Cause you know what's up. Yeah. He got that drink in his cup. Yeah. You know he gon' pull up. What? I don't care about no what. What? You ugly. Not you, but that puppy. And you know this is what we cut it. We cut it. He always mess up. And he came around. No, how do you show me? No, I got you, goddamn it. I don't know what they do. I just literally paid, got like a few bunch. Do what they do in Florida. They keep their breath smelling good. But yeah, if you got them like 2 weeks, I'll give you $25 more. That's our skate. If I ain't warm by then, that boy breath still stink. That boy breath still foam. But it's all good. That's my dog. Oh, dog, you dig me? Oh, yeah. No way to get Yes, sir. New location. Man, we didn't relocate. You know, we out here. We on the west side. We on the west side with it, man. Yeah, we ain't on the east, we on the west side. We on the west side with it, man. Oh, you know what time it is. I already know what's going on. Hey, I can see you.
Yes, sir.
So many people out here, boy, I can't even count how many people I got. Barbecue.
On YouTube. Subscribe to my boy.
What up? Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Turn on the bell.
Yo, put me on that motherfucker, shawty. That's who y'all need in that bitch, shawty. I turn all that on, shawty. Big eye, shawty. Put me on that Snap, that Instagram, all that. John Blake, shawty. Yes, sir. Captain out on the Insta, John Blake.
Yeah, bro. You on the channel, bro.
Oh, what he doing, bro?
I'm on the channel with him, bro.
He rough now. He got Hey, what it do, what it do. You already know how we do. You did.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I thought you knew. I ain't see that boy put me on. That boy EB. Nah, it's been, I ain't, it's been me.